Let's go to your planner. Hopefully, you've written your first and last name on it. Now, let's flip to page 7. On page 7, you will see first semester's schedule. Your schedule looks like this. It's not so neat and tidy. So we're going to copy it and make it a little easier to understand. Now, the first thing you should know about your schedule, right here at the top, this is your student ID number. It starts with a 9. I would circle it. Go ahead and circle it. You are going to need this number a lot this year, so pay attention to this number. It's very important that everything you write on this page, you do in pencil. Do not use pen. You will likely need to erase something, and erasing is just don't do it with pen. Pencil, pencil, pencil. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the left to where it says period. Period refers to the chunk of time during the day that you have your class. So right now you are in 00, that's period 0, or den. After den, you're going to go to first period, then second, then third, and fourth, and fifth. For some reason, the schedule has the periods like twice, like 00, 00, 01, 01. Go ahead and just cross out one of those columns to make it a little easier to understand. At this point, teachers, if you feel like you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Make sure everybody's caught up. Go ahead and pause if needed. We have rotation days and course and teacher and room. Let's skip that for a second. Come over to where it says term and credits. This you don't really need right now. It's just extra information, so go ahead and just scribble it out. You don't need to worry about it. Not a big deal. Let's go back now to course. Here you can see the name of the class that you're taking. Just to the right is the teacher. That's the name of the teacher that will be teaching that class. Whitney Stewart, that's Miss Stewart, is teaching English 8. Emily Mijares is teaching U.S. History. And then next to that, you can see the room that your class is in. So Trevor Pace is in room 219. William Pettit is in room 111. Now to the left of the course is the rotation days, and this is a little confusing. Here at Granite Park, A days are Mondays and Wednesdays, and B days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. So every Monday is an A day, every Tuesday is a B day. Fridays are going to kind of switch off here and there. Sometimes they're A day, sometimes they're B day. If under rotation days, like it says here under 00, teacher advisory, that's den, you'll see that it says AB. That means that the period is every A day and every B day. So on this schedule, English is AB, as it should be. Math is AB. Now, yearbook and history, these are only on A day or B day. So yearbook here is on A day. U.S. history is on B days. So if today is a Wednesday, that means it's an A day. So third period A day would be yearbook. And third period B day would be U.S. history. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of this crazy information and we're going to put it on this beautiful page in your planner. As you can see, Den Teacher Advisory is already written out for you. Now go ahead and put in the room number. It's probably the room number you're in right now. And below Teacher Advisory, you can write in your teacher's name. So if you have William Pettit for your teacher advisory, write William Pettit or Mr. Pettit. At this point, teachers, if you feel like you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Make sure everybody's caught up. Go ahead and pause if needed. Let's jump down to 1A. It might say 1A or 1AB. If it's English 8, for example, you could go ahead and write English 8. And the teacher would be Whitney Stewart. The room number would be 210. Your schedule will say something different. Write down the class and teacher that you have. At this point, teachers, if you feel like you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Make sure everybody's caught up. Go ahead and pause if needed. Now for second period. It might be an A and B day class. So you could put it on the A day line and the B day line if you want. But we're just focusing on the A day right now. If it has an A, write it in the class, the teacher, and the room number. Go ahead and make your way all the way through fifth period. When you're finished, Head to the B-Day schedule and fill it out. If you have any questions, your teacher will answer them. Good luck, Grizzlies.